us. My buddy here is about to do NT. This is our first time on live. So, welcome to Grand Slam. Good luck, buddy. And his daughter that's going on spring break. You need the...
No, he's...
Dude, y'all are so no waste of my Snapchat.
Thought I had it. The box is now voided.
The smell of treasures, you know it? You smell it.
Yeah.
Let's see what we get.
Good luck, man. Let's don't look at the bottom this time because it was the
Yeah.
last time. I'll look away too.
Yeah. All right. Got Marquette and a redemption.
Is there? Oh,
It's stuck in the bottom.
Did you already see the name?
I didn't see the name.
Dude, that's freaking Dak, bro. All right, let's roll.
So we got Marquette King.
All right.
Derek Carr, 5 out of 25.
All right.
TJ Yeldon.
Yeldon.
Booby Dixon. Looks like we got some glove and some football.
Who doesn't like Booby Dixon?
Got some Cardell Jones, my favorite player.
That's a nice patch.
That's
Who
a
is
gorgeous
it?
patch.
Tyrod,
Tyrod.
4-color. I think those would be cool to collect. Just
Oh, we got a nice rookie gear back here. Looks like Raider. Connor Cook.
man, it's been a Raiders box. It's a nice Falcata.
Down out
Number
of
to
10.
It's gonna come down to the RPA, man. Did you already see the name?
No, I didn't see the name.
It could be Hunter Henry, Dak. If it's Dak, man.
So it's a valued collector.
Oh, is it Dak? Did he get it?
I seen it. Yeah.
Boom! Hold on. Rookie material signatures. Dak, baby. Woo! Is that the RPA? Rookie material signatures.
It's RPS.
I don't know. We'll have to look. Man, he is doing great, man. Good job, dude. That is freaking awesome. Here's his box, guys and gals. His daughter was his lucky charm. He hit Dak. One more time, show us the...
I seen the DAK.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the fact you kept saying Dak.
Yeah.
It's like,
Check out the store, guys. Here we are.
there's only 41 rookies in the set.
Yeah.
So
Y'all famous over some card
Yeah.
thing.
that'll be a good